Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mix together equal parts Dawn dishwashing detergent and hydrogen peroxide. Pour the mixture over the wine stain and allow it to soak in. You should see the stain begin to fade almost immediately. After you have allowed the mixture to soak into the stain, launder the clothing normally.
Take our lead.
Old red wine stains need a good long soak in cold water to have a chance of removal. Start by rubbing liquid laundry detergent or dish soap on the stained area. Next, put the clothing in a bowl or bucket of cold water to soak for 30 minutes. Apply a stain remover and wash the piece of clothing on a normal cycle.
Let's help you make your mark.
Apply a small amount of cold water to the stain and with a clean cloth or paper towel, dab the stain until no more comes out. Apply a paste of 1 part baking soda, 3 parts water to the stained area and allow it to dry. Once dry, vacuum up all the paste. If the stain still remains, turn to a professional for help.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.